Welcome back to Chippo Fishing. Falls Lake Big Eye Crappie Man Tournament. Did not have a chance to pre-fish, but we are pre-cooking with Mr. Anthony.
All right.
So here we go. We've got some catfish fillets with all the good seasonings, some breading, condiments. Gonna do it up right. We'll have a little Scooby snack while we're out on the water too, what we don't eat, which feeling sort of hungry smelling this oil heating up. Oh, and that's the right temperature. I'll be right back with some tasty updates. First drop. Oh man, that's looking good. In case you can't hear this, folks, I'm gonna do some sound effects. Oh man, that's looking good. Living large by the edge of the water here at Hickory Hill Boat Ramp. Man, those things are going off. So what kind of, you did some lemon pepper on the fish before, and the bread, and what you got in there?
This is basically some cornmeal and salt, and a little bit of my favorite, Zatarain's fish fry.
All right, y'all hear it, y'all see it. Woo! Awesome, awesome. I don't know what the rich people doing right now, but they're missing out. So, Mr. Anthony, what temperature do you like to do your fish at?
362 is the best.
362.
And once it's at 362, I normally turn it on high, because that when I drop it, the temperature gonna lower. So
Temperature's gonna low about what, 20 degrees?
about 20 degrees, yeah. So you do 362, and then turn it on high. It should shoot up to about 375. And when you drop it in, it's gonna drop all the way back down to about 330, depending on how cold the fillets are.
Man, that's looking so good. Nice little light browning.
And you just let them go for about 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes.
There you go. Awesome. Well, I don't know if they got smell vision or taste vision, but if they do, you better turn to that channel. Oh yeah. That's round number 2. First round went quick.
Exactly. Well, that's good.
Oh, so good. Thank you, Mr. Anthony.
Oh yeah.
Good eats, good eats. A little lemon pepper.
Little Tony's.
Tony's. What Tony's
Creole.
Creole.
Give it a little kick.
Little kick.
Well, for catfish, you know, a little bit of kick is always good for the cat. What time is it? So they'll know we late night eat.
It is 2:22.
2:22 in the morning, late night eat. You can't get better than that. Catfish at 2:22.
Just in time, be casual. The live well checks at 5:30. These are thicker pieces, so you want them done all the way through. Now, Mr. Anthony will be sometimes when he does some night fishing, he'll pull up on the shore, find a place to cook.
Exactly.
And doing right. Mama said don't go around hungry. Just go around.
Exactly.
Mr. Anthony, did you forget my order of fries?
No, I didn't.
Oh, wait a minute. What do we have here? Oh, it's the Whopper Chopper, as seen in late night videos on ads. And potatoes and cornmeal coming up after this last batch of fish. Everything looking so good.
Fries. Gotta have them fries. When the fries is covered in cornmeal, the same batter we use for the catfish.
Same batter.
It's gonna be good. You got fries.
All right. Look at those fries. Man, they look good.
Hot.
Hot. Cornmeal's good on them.
Yeah, with cornmeal on them.
Quite the feast. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Well, folks, I think that's going to be about it for the pre-tournament fish and fries. Eat up, cook up, full up. Oh, man, good stuff. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Appreciate you.
Yep.
All right, we'll talk to y'all next time. Peace. Y'all get up off that couch, man. Life's way too good to be on that couch.